Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making chicken tenders using oat flour and Goldenmorn. Now using this boneless chicken, I'm using chicken breast, patted dry with a kitchen towel to remove the excess water and cut into strips. Once done, as you can see, transfer into a deep bowl for mixing. You can use a glassware or you can use a plasticware like I am using. Add your unsweetened yogurt. Add your chicken seasoning, your onion powder. If you have onion flakes, you can add, but I prefer powder in this. A bit of garlic, paprika, curry, thyme, salt, small salt, not too much so you don't overpower the chicken. Incorporate completely by stirring until everything is combined. Now cover using a clean film. I didn't have one, so I used a foil. And marinate in your refrigerator for 2 to 24 hours. Here you have blended oats, half a cup of blended oat, half a cup of Goldenmorn, your chicken seasoning, your ginger, a bit of garlic, which is optional, onion, pepper. Whisk together to incorporate all the ingredients. Now your chicken I did for 24 hours. So you're going to coat each strip completely with the mixture individually and not just all together at once, so that it will be properly coated, just like this. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork, whatever works for you. I'm using my fingers and it came out nice. As you can see. So you do that for each individual strip until everyone is done. Your hands might become a bit sticky, but it's okay. There you have it, everyone is coated. So in a heated pan or skillet like I'm using here with oil, you place each individual strip and allow it to fry. Once it starts to brown, flip each side to ensure that the other side is also cooked or browned as well. Just like that, and that's it guys, it's ready. Take it out. You can serve it alone, you can put it in your wraps, you can put it in your salad. It's just a great way to incorporate different things to your chicken and have a twist. So thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the link below.